Hi guys, welcome to the world of Opulence Perfumery. This is Gaurav live again from Lucknow, and this time we are going to talk about a very underrated new brand. It's called as Trudy Blue London. This is a brand hailing from London, yes guys. And what I feel great about this fragrance brand is that they are in the range of designers because their fragrances start from the range of 6,000 till 7,000. Decent 100 ml fragrances in eau de parfum concentration, making the fragrances last more and project more. We all know that eau de toilette don't last that much as eau de parfum does. And now let's do a small unboxing of the fragrance. We have this immaculate presentation right here. It's a beautiful cardboard box with a magnetic casing, and at the back of the box we have the details about the ingredients, net volume, as well as the the origin of the fragrance being shown here. This fragrance is made in Switzerland. Yes, guys, the perfumer of this fragrance is from Switzerland. And talking about the inside, this is a beautiful velvet box with fragrance inside. I loved the presentation, guys. For a price range of 7,000, what else you want? This fragrance can be used for gifting purpose as well. Now, talking about the fragrance, this is a slender, sleek, rectangular bottle. Not very unique, but not bad also. Cap is simple, but what best I feel about this fragrance is the perfumer or the company has worked a lot for the inside ingredients rather than the presentation. Presentation is decent for the price point, but the juice is worth more than the money they ask for. Now let me do some few sniffing sessions with this one. Guys, this fragrance comes under the warm spicy category. It's a little animalic. This fragrance features oud blended with spices as well as saffron, making it a very masculine fragrance. I am getting this burnt caramel vibe. Yeah, I'm getting this burnt caramel vibe. But being a sweet fragrance, this can be easily pulled off by any men. Can be easily pulled off by any men from age above 25. This is not a teenage sort of fragrance. It smells ultra masculine. And guys, there are many women customers who wear masculine fragrances, so even they can rock with this one. Guys, you must know about this brand that Trudy Blue encompasses all their fragrances in all their perfume concentration, and keeping India as their first market, they have tried to understand that in India the climate is very bad. For almost like 6 to 7 months, we get high humid or high so much hot climate that fragrances don't last. You talk about Bulgari, you talk about Versace, you talk about Davidoff and many other brands, they fail to perform in India because those fragrances are made keeping European market as well as USA market in their mind. But Trudy has focused for India in the initial days, and their fragrances last for more than 10-12 hours in this Indian heat, which makes it worth buying this because for the price point of 6-7,000 rupees, you get Versace, you get Bulgari, and those fragrances are good. I won't deny on that fact. But this fragrance coming in eau de parfum with a beautiful sillage and longevity, you can definitely have this one in your arsenal. And I'm 100% sure that any men smelling this fragrance for the first time will love this one. I get this harsh note from this fragrance, but this fragrance gets settled in 5 to 10 minutes, and then the real notes actually involve. Very good fragrance, and guys, you can definitely rock this one for the coming winters. India has already started to get the winter sort of vibe. We are getting a very good sort of climate right now, and I'm sure that this fragrance will get a lot of love and attention. And moreover, guys, if you are in Lucknow, do not forget to visit Opulence Perfumery and ask for a free sample. Guys, we are offering free samples for this fragrance as well, so that you can go and try it at your home. give it some time and you'll definitely understand what sort of fragrance or what sort of compositions this Trudy Blue has blended. So guys, that's it for now. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay blessed, and if you have any feedback or comment, do not forget to drop in. Please like, share and subscribe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.